Hi, my name is Shawn. This is my wife, Margie. I came down here with my wife to get some dental implants. I was missing a lot of teeth, and Dr. Garita and his staff did a bang-up job. I have this smile now. I could not be happier. And while I was here, I was so happy with the work. I had them do some work on my wife, Margie, as well.
Yeah.
And you can see her smile. They redid her bridge. So you have a very satisfied customer, and Shawn and Margie, I'd highly recommend coming down here during the winter season. And thank you.
Thank you.